Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to show you how I train on my own to improve my table tennis. It's not always easy to take lessons with a coach because of costs and having to coordinate your schedules. Finding a decent practice partner to play with can also be difficult. This is where the Pongbot table tennis robot comes in handy. I got the Nova S Pro, which is their most portable version. It's very lightweight and you can bring it anywhere easily. You can control the robot using an app or the remote that's included and adjust the drill to your liking. So I'm going to start with doing some forehand and backhand. You can also practice looping underspin. Footwork drills like 2/3 table random forward. The head of the Nova S Pro can also be turned to produce different side spins, which is useful if you want to practice serve returns. I'm going to customize my own drill and try it out as well. This one is 2 backhands and 2 footworks. The Nova S Pro by Pongbot is a great table tennis robot for players looking to improve their game, whether they're beginner or professional. Check out the description below if you're interested in the Pongbot Nova S Pro or any of their other models of robots. You can use my code KOKO5 for 5% off on all products on the Pongbot store website. And thanks to Pongbot for sponsoring this video.